Okay, see, after writing of what we have written the depreciation, or we have charged the depreciation, right? See, the furniture amount is of 1 lakh, where 8,000 value of asset is sold, so 92,000 is remaining, where we have charged depreciation, that is 11,500, remaining is 80,500. Then we need to charge depreciation on building, right? So building amount is 6,50,000 and depreciation amount is 32,500, so we need to deduct, remaining is 6,17,500, right? Okay, then outstanding locker rent is remaining 1,500, that we have written. See whether there is any other adjustment which need to be recorded. Outstanding telephone bill, where it should be recorded under liability side, right? Yeah, so salary outstanding, that need to be recorded under liability side. Telephone bill as well as salary outstanding need to be recorded there. Then printing and stationery, see there is a closing, printing and stationery, write down that printing and stationery amounting to rupees 3,000. Then there is any other assets? No, everything is over. Okay, now we need to write down the liability side. So see, under liability side, what and all the item comes? Sports fund is there. Then so we have received subscription in advance, right? That is of the year 2007 to 8, we have received subscription subscription in advance. Write down that subscription in advance, that is of rupees 10,000. See that in the receipt side. Then there is outstanding telephone bill. Write down outstanding telephone bill of rupees 2,000, and there is an outstanding salary of rupees 4,000. Then locker rent outstanding we have written, right? Yeah. Then there is a sports fund, but sports fund should, whether we need to record? No, nothing is now remaining in a sports fund, so we should not record that. Sports fund is now empty, right? Then what is remaining? Yeah, there is a capital fund which we have calculated. What is that amount? See here, we have calculated capital fund 8,42,550. Then add the surplus which we have obtained in income and expenditure account. What is that surplus? So here we have calculated, right? Not this one. Where is the surplus? The surplus amount which we have obtained is, here is the surplus 25,450. Add that. So 8,42,550 plus 25,450. What is the amount? 8,68,000. Yes. Now see the liability side total: 1,000 plus 2,000 plus 4,000 plus 8,68,000. What is the amount now? 8 lakh. Sorry, that is 10,000. Sorry, 10,000 plus 2,000 plus 4,000 plus 8,68,000. So now 8,84,000 is the total. Now see whether the asset side is getting tally or not. 21,500 plus 45,000 plus 1 lakh plus 15,000 plus 80,500. Then see here. Then 6,17,500, right? 1,500 plus 3,000. Yeah, we are getting tally 8,84,000. So I'll write down here. We are getting tally of 8,84,000. 8,84,000. So this is the solution for the problem. See guys, if you have any doubt you can ask me. and please go through the problem thoroughly. Okay, thank you.